In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread chat and messages in Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams regularly, it's really easy for messages to pile up and for important updates to slip through the cracks. The good news is that Teams has a built-in area designed specifically to help you catch up on anything you haven't seen yet. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can quickly get on top of your unread activity. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams either in your browser or in the desktop app. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several icons stacked vertically such as Chat, Teams, Calendar, and others. What we're interested in for unread activity is the activity icon. Go ahead and click on Activity. This is your notification hub inside Teams. Think of it as a central inbox for everything that's happened across your chats, teams, and channels. When you select Activity, the main area of the screen will switch to show a list of recent events, like mentions, replies, reactions, and missed calls. Unread items usually stand out visually. Depending on your version and settings, they may appear with a bold title, a colored bar on the side, or a different background shade. If there's a number badge next to the activity icon itself, that's a quick indicator that you have new notifications waiting. Take a moment to scroll through this list. Any unread chats or messages that involve you, whether from individual chats or team channels, should appear here. Clicking on any item in this list will jump you directly to that specific message or conversation so you can read it in context. Once you click into it, Teams will typically mark it as read automatically. If you get a lot of notifications, it can help to move through them methodically. Start at the top of the activity feed and work your way down, opening each item you haven't seen. This makes sure you don't accidentally skip something important, like a mention from your manager or a question from a teammate. Remember, the activity section is the fastest way to see what's new across all of Teams without having to manually open each chat or channel. Anytime you feel like you might have missed a message, simply come back to activity and you'll have a clear view of your unread update.